So today we will learn about subtracting polynomials. So how to subtract a given polynomial. So here we have the rule na kailangan sundin. Turn positive into negative and negative into positive. Then we will add as usual. So actually na-encounter na natin to sa integers, no? Kapag nagsusubtract tayo ng dalawang integers, kapag pinapalitan natin yung sign ng subtrahend, then we will proceed to. So, in other words, here, meron tayong illustration, mas makikita natin. Yung positive sign dito, napalitan siya ng negative. Yung negative sign, mapapalitan siya ng positive. Ganun din kapag ka-addition. Addition, papalitan siya ng subtraction. Subtraction, papalitan siya ng addition. So, then add as usual. So, ito yung next natin gagawin kapag nagawa na natin yung first part. Okay? So, para mas ma-imagine natin, let's have the first example. So, we have here, the first polynomial, yung yellow polynomial, 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9. So, this is the first polynomial. Usually, meron tayong parenthesis dapat dyan, pero ito yung given natin. No? Tapos, minus 2y squared plus xy minus 3. And the subtrahend has a group or parenthesis. No? Bakit? Mahalaga kasi na meron tayong parenthesis sa subtrahend natin. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? So, this is the second polynomial, no? First, ita-transfer muna natin yun into column part. So, make sure na magkakatapat lahat ng terms na magkakapareho. So, like terms dapat ang katapat nila. For example, 5y squared, ang katapat niya is 2y squared. Ito. Okay? Ganon din sa 2xy. Ang katapat niya yung isa pang 2xy. And then yung constant, dapat magkatapat din sila. Okay? Then, don't forget the sign. Kung ano man yung sign na nakalagay dyan sa given. Okay? So, anong susunod na gagawin? I-apply na natin yung rule for subtraction. Okay? Sabi dito, kasi ang subtrahend natin ay yung color blue. Okay? The second polynomial, 2y squared plus 2xy minus 3. So, ano mangyayari dyan? Mapapalitan lahat ng sign. So, turn positive into negative. Dating positive, magiging negative na siya. Itong dating positive 2xy, magiging negative na siya. And itong negative 3 dito, magiging positive na siya. Then, proceed. Yan, turo ko lang muna ha. Ito at ayan. Then, proceed to addition. Okay? So, napalitan na yung mga sign, proceed na tayo sa addition. Then, we will perform adding polynomial. That was our first topic bago tayo nag-proceed dito sa topic na to. So, 5y squared plus negative 2y squared. That is positive 3y squared. Mas malaki si 5, no? Kaysa kay negative 2. So, that is 3y squared. Okay? Then, the next one, positive 2xy plus negative 2xy. Alam naman natin na 0 ang magiging sagot dyan. Okay? Magkamukha sila. Mas parehas pa ng coefficient. No? Next, the third one, or the third term is the constant. Negative 9 plus positive 3. Mas malaki si negative. So, the answer would be negative 6. Okay? So, therefore, if we will simplify or we will remove the 0 here, ang pinaka magiging answer niya is 3y squared minus 6. Okay, and this should be the final answer. You could remove the 0 kasi wala naman value yun. Okay? So, that is the first example. Okay? So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung 2xy, positive 2xy minus 2xy, na-cancel lang siya. Okay? Nawala lang siya. Ito lang talaga yung sinimplify natin. Tsaka itong constant. Okay? So, do you have any question? If you have question, feel free to leave a comment in our YouTube comment section. Okay, and that's all for today. Our next quest will be multiplying polynomials. So, good luck and see you in our next quest.